Hi guys, this is Chris with Baker Roofing and Construction here again. We're doing a roof inspection here on a 30-year architectural roof, and this particular roof has solar panels on it, and you should really take a look at some of the carelessness these installers will do to your roof when installing solar panels whenever they're not roofers. Here at Baker Roofing, we install solar panels and we install roofs. We put a new roof on first, then we'll put you a brand new solar system on to try to save you some power. Let's take a closer look and I'll show you what we're finding. Okay, when your installers come out and put these panels on, they really don't know how to pull up your shingles carefully enough to not damage them. There's one spot there. If you look here, you look closely, we've got a lot of damage around the mounting brackets right there. Take a look at this. Look at this repair that was done on this pipe boot. That there is electrical tape. Electrical tape on a PVC pipe coming through the roof. That is how they thought they were going to keep this thing from leaking. As you can see, the rubber on these pipes starts to break down over time. This roof's probably about 7-8 years old. This rubber starts to wear out, and as you can see, it was probably leaking, and somebody, a handyman, somebody got up here and tried to use electrical tape to fix it. Terrible. Here's a repair on a shingle with caulking. It's no good. Here's another repair. They damaged the shingle area when they were trying to decide where they're going to put these brackets for the solar system, and they just kind of covered it in silicone. As you can see, trying to install solar panels, damage the shingles above. Here's a real bad one over here. Installing the solar system and trying to pull that shingle up above it so they can slide in the bracket. Thought they could doctor it up with some silicone. Using cheap silicone on your roofs will look like this in 7-8 years. Use good quality products so that it'll last. And don't doctor up all your repairs with silicone. Spend the time to do the job right and repair the shingle and put new shingles in place of damaged ones. Okay guys, I'm gonna get back to this inspection. Just want to show you a couple of items that I was finding out here on this solar panel job that was done by another contractor. Call us today at Baker Roofing and Construction. We do solar and we do roofs, and we do it right.